When it comes to connecting your devices for seamless audio playback, the right cable makes all the difference. This 4'3", 5mm male-to-male stereo audio cable offers a straightforward solution to link your smartphone, MP3 player, or tablet to any stereo system or speaker with a standard AUX-in port. What sets this cable apart is its universal compatibility. Whether you're plugging into your car's stereo or a portable speaker, it works flawlessly with any device featuring a 3.5mm audio jack. No adapters or extra pieces needed, just a simple plug-and-play experience. The cable's length, at 4 feet, strikes a perfect balance. It's long enough to give you flexibility without creating unnecessary clutter or tangles. Whether you're in the car or at home, it fits comfortably without getting in the way. A key feature is the beveled step-down design of the connectors. This detail isn't just about looks, it ensures a secure and snug fit every time you connect. That means fewer interruptions and a more reliable audio connection during your music or podcast sessions. You'll also appreciate the gold-plated plugs. These corrosion-resistant connectors provide consistent, static-free sound quality. No more worrying about crackles or interference, even after extended use or exposure to the elements. Durability is another plus. Users have noted how well built this cable feels right out of the box. It's sturdy enough to handle daily use without fraying or losing connection quality, giving you peace of mind that it won't fail when you need it most. If you've ever struggled with cables that are either too long or too short, this one hits the sweet spot. It's designed to meet everyday needs without excess length that can cause mess or too little that limits your setup options. One of the biggest benefits is its simplicity. This cable works perfectly for anyone, especially those who want to avoid the hassle of adapters or complicated connections. Friends without iPhones, for example, can easily plug in and enjoy their music without extra equipment. The clear sound quality you get from this cable is consistent and reliable. Thanks to the corrosion-resistant gold plating, you get a clean audio signal free from static or distortion, which really matters when you want to enjoy your favorite tracks or podcasts. Whether you're replacing an old cable or adding a backup for your car or home audio system, this 3.5mm stereo cable is a solid choice. It's straightforward, dependable, and designed to get the job done without fuss. If you're looking for a cable that simply works, with no gimmicks or confusing features, this is worth a look. It's the kind of product that stays out of your way and lets your devices shine with clear, crisp sound. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your audio setup. This cable delivers what you need: compatibility, secure connection, and reliable sound quality. It's a practical solution that fits right into your daily routine. In summary, this 4'3", 5mm stereo audio cable offers clear benefits that matter. You get universal device compatibility, a secure fit thanks to its beveled connectors, and corrosion-resistant gold-plated plugs for lasting performance. Users from the United States have praised its build quality and functionality. One noted it's well built and does exactly what's expected. Another appreciated the length and ease of use, especially for friends without iPhones who don't need adapters. If you want a cable that won't let you down during your drives or casual listening sessions, this one fits the bill. It's reliable, straightforward, and designed for everyday convenience. Don't settle for cables that cause frustration or poor sound. This 3.5mm stereo audio cable makes a clear difference by providing a secure, static-free connection that keeps your music flowing smoothly. Worth a look if you're in the market for a dependable audio cable that balances length, durability, and sound quality. It's a small investment that enhances how you connect your devices. Ready to improve your audio experience? This cable offers a hassle-free way to connect your devices with confidence. Whether in the car or at home, enjoy clear sound and a secure fit every time. Make the simple switch to a cable that works as hard as you do. Reliable, clear, and convenient, that's what this 4'3", 5mm stereo audio cable delivers.